Inkosi uMncube nobaba omncane wayo bebehamba ngale moto ngesikhathi behlaselwa. Bobabili baphangalele endaweni yesigameko. Amaphoyisa athi ayikaziwa imbangela yalokuhlaselwa.
They were both shot in close range with high caliber rifles. A 35-year-old passenger as well as the 40-year-old driver were passed away on the scene. It's alleged that the vehicle was traveling to Nkandla when they were shot by occupants of a silver BMW. The vehicle was found abandoned not far from the scene, and police have been able to establish that the vehicle was in fact a vehicle that was stolen earlier this year. Detectives from the Provincial Organised Crime Unit are now investigating this matter.
Uhulumeni wasifundazwe ugxekile ke lokuhlasela.
Moshe uyagcizelela amalungu omphakathi ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi asebenzisane namaphoyisa ukuze labo abenze lokho baboshwe kukhulu ukusheshsha. Moshe futhi uyaphinda udlulisa amazinduduzo kwisilo samabandla umndeni wayo inkosi isizwe sonke sembokode bovu.
Akekho osaboshiwe okwamanje. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya, uzindaba ze-SABC.